Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. The downspout drain is the most important part of the rainwater drainage system. It actually protects the foundation of your home more than any other drain. Let's take a look at Ed here in Raleigh, North Carolina, working on cleaning and repairing the downspout drain.
So what we're doing here, we've disconnected the downspout, we're running water in there. And while we're running water, we'll see how long it takes to fill up the pipe, or if it's free flowing. If it instantly clogs up, then obviously we need to work here in these bushes, which where you'd expect. This one's been running about 2 minutes. And I don't even hear anything backing up. So we're looking pretty good on this one. We'll move to the next one and see what we can find. All right, I want to apologize for the shoddy video work. I'm on my cell phone and my videographer is off for the last couple of days. So I want to show you one that's a trouble one. Literally just put water in it. And you can slowly see it start to rise up. So what we do to see if it's completely clogged, we get it pretty full. And pull it away and see if it drains down. As you can tell, this one's draining around pretty slow, so it's got a small clog in it. So we're gonna get the machine over here and clean this one out. All right, so we got Robert on the machine. We're already starting to pull roots out here. Oh, we caught a big one. Look at that. Ridiculous. All right. Once we get this thing all the way out of the ground, we'll make us a pile of roots. All right, so we got Robert here, and we pulled it out. He's showing us some of the stuff we pulled out. And we put our exploratory bit on there, and it's just a little tiny bit. We want to put our big one in there and get it all stuck. And ended up pulling all this out, and of course there's a bunch more over there. So we saved the customer thousands and thousands of dollars by spending about a day here. He didn't have to replace everything. We found a couple of things, we fixed it. As you can tell, of course we'll fix that down there. That's where the water's flowing into the main, and he wants to put another fitting up the way here. We'll get that done today. And Robert, what do you think of all that?
Pretty easy day.
Pretty easy day. All right, well said. All right, so what we've got here is, that's where the pipe ended up, about 6 inches underground. Absolutely no hookup at all. It just ended up that way. So we found that by going through several sections of broken pipe. This is actually a good section we're going to repair. That's what came out of there, just trashed up. Robert's over here taking care of some holes. So what it is, we have two 4-inch pipes that run under here. And each 4-inch pipe goes to a basin here. So if you can notice, you got a big old hill. The water just rushes down into here. So what I talked with the customer, what I recommended and what he agreed with, this basin works. It free flows, we got water running through it, no problem. This is clogged for who knows how far, and then the pipe is in pieces. So what I recommended is we leave this one in the ground. If this one here overflows, there's a natural swale here. Right around the corner, there's actually a grate to the sewer system. So it's not gonna affect his house at all. We always have the option of coming back and running another line. That's gonna involve going underneath pavers and some hardscape work. Very expensive, and that is why I recommended that we just stay with this. Sometimes it's better not to spend money to save money. All right, so Robert is here, and he's doing his final connections. What we like to do in the ground, you don't have to do this, but we kind of like to do it, use PVC tape. And what Robert's doing is he is taping the ends, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn that water off so he can put that last piece on. All right, so what Robert has done, he has pushed that in there with an internal connector we use, sometimes internal, sometimes external. And what he's doing now, he's gonna go ahead and finish taping. Looks like he's got a piece left to do on the top there. We'll go ahead and seal that up. That'll help keep the roots out. And that is one sexy repair right there.
Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.